Okay, so I already laid down everything I want to use for this recipe. Not everything, but the major things. So I'm going to walk you through them. The first thing is the green pepper, because this is key when making your ayamase. Some people use green atarudo as well, but this is just green peppers. I took out the seeds and I blended this roughly. And then here I have my smoked pala fish. This has been washed and deboned. Here I have my red onions chopped. My iru, this is iruworo. It's also called locust bean in English. And then I have my beef. I have proper beef here. And then I have some towel. This is also called shaki. And also my liver as well. Not my liver actually, but the liver. Okay. And then there's no ayamase sauce that's complete without boiled eggs. So I have about 3 pieces here because it's just for me and my friends. So yeah. What else? I also have my bleached oil here. If you want me to show you how I bleached this, then let me know in the comment section. So you know what, guys, let's just get cooking. So now that our pot is hot, the first thing you want to do is to add your bleached palm oil. Okay, now that the oil is hot, the next thing you want to add is your onions. And almost immediately you add your locust bean. Allow this fry for a couple of minutes. Next are your green peppers. I made sure to drain all of the water from the green pepper just so that it doesn't take a lot of time to fry. One of the many reasons I choose to use green peppers for my ayamase is because I don't have to fry the red pepper for so long before it turns black. So this is faster. A lot of people do not like to use green peppers because it's quite expensive and they just feel like they cannot spend so much money on just peppers. But if you're cooking for your family, it's really advisable to use the green peppers. It brings out the actual flavor of the ayamase. This is what you are meant to use. You can then choose to add like little red pepper or whatnot, but I like mine all green, so I'm just going to let this fry properly. Now that I've fried the pepper for a little bit, I'm going to add the smoked fish so that everything fries at the same time. And the beef. I already cooked it before and I diced all of them. And I feel like this pot is so tiny. So I'll admit that I chose the wrong pot. I was thinking that this thing would be little, but next is the crayfish. Okay, as you guys can see, I obviously had to change my pot because that one was really too small. So I've not added anything else. What I'm adding next is the seasoning cubes. Now I'm going to taste for salt. This dish shouldn't be complete without the boiled eggs, so I'm just going to throw that in. I also think that mine is too thick, so I'm just going to add this much amount of water. Give it a stir and I'll cover it for it to steam. And there you have it, guys. Our ayamase sauce is ready. So I'm just going to go on ahead and dish my food and that of my friends, and I'll see you guys later.